Lighting is something that has a profound impact on the way we experience architecture, and today we are going to compare the U.S. Air Force Academy Cadet Chapel in Colorado designed by Walter Nesch to the Royal Ontario Museum Crystal Edition by Daniel Libeskind in Toronto. Both buildings share similar geometries and contain windows that slant and have sharp edges. Both the chapel and the crystal have long glass strips allowing for streams of light to enter the interior. The difference between these buildings is their functionality, which changes the way light is used inside. The chapel is a holy space, and the light is used to enhance the spiritual experience, creating a sacred space, while the crystal is housing museum objects, and while providing natural light must limit the light exposure on the museum objects to prevent light damage. Because of this limitation, the ROM has utilized natural light primarily for seating areas throughout the museum, creating comfortable spaces for relaxation or conversation. The windows provide little to no lighting within the exhibition spaces, with the exception of the second floor dinosaur exhibit, but even then utilizes artificial lighting along the ceiling. Some of the windows are even covered on the interior in order to prevent light damage in spaces with poorly placed windows. Although limited, the natural light that is used enters the building in very interesting ways, casting polygon shadows reflecting off the pure white interior. The Cadet Chapel has polished Jerusalem brownstone flooring that reflects the natural light entering the breathtaking triangular window wall. The Cadet Chapel has a large window in both the north and south facade, as well as stained glass window strips running in between each of the 17 triangular sections. During the construction and design of the ROM, challenges with geometries were faced, which resulted in odd window placements that connect to existing buildings and become completely pointless. Some windows provide neither view nor light, while others framed a view of the interior, capturing no natural light. In the Cadet Chapel, every window adds to the feeling of ascension, efficiently utilizing every ounce of natural sunlight and turning the interior into a truly spiritual place of worship.